Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the Apple ID. This makes connecting to Android reliable. First, sign into your Apple ID account and confirm your password and a reachable secondary email or trusted phone number. Once done, enable two-factor authentication so Android apps can accept app-specific passwords. Next, generate an app-specific password in your Apple ID security settings for Mail or Calendar on Android. Finally, install the Apple apps you need on Android, like Apple Music or Apple TV, so you can sign in directly. Now you connect services. For Mail, add your iCloud account in Android Mail using a map, the iCloud address, and the app-specific password you created. This preserves sync and folders. For Contacts, you can either configure card DAV with Contacts, iCloud, COM and the app password, or export a vCard from iCloud and import into Google Contacts if you prefer native sync. For Calendars, use Cal DAV with CalDAV, iCloud, COM, or export and import into Google Calendar. Make sure sync toggles are on. Finish by verifying everything works. Send an email, update a contact, and create a calendar event to confirm two-way sync. Once done, set your preferred default account on Android so new items save where you expect, and review devices listed on your Apple ID to remove any you no longer use. If a connection fails, revoke the app-specific password and create a new one. Also ensure two-factor codes go to the trusted phone number. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.